At first glance, it looks simple, almost quiet. A clean white volume, natural stone, a pool that disappears into the forest. But look closer, and this house begins to reveal itself. Because behind that calm exterior is a home built for someone who has been places, seen things, brought the world back with them. The architecture is modern and restrained. Concrete, timber slats, open glass. The kind of form that knows exactly what it wants to be and wastes nothing getting there.
It sits on the hillside the way a base camp sits in a valley. Grounded, purposeful, ready for what comes next.
Then there's the garage, and it tells you everything. A Bronco, an ATV, kayaks on the wall beside tribal artifacts and traditional bows, a heavy wooden workbench under industrial pendants. This isn't a storage room. It's a launch pad, a place where the house ends and the adventure begins. Good architecture doesn't just design for how you live indoors. It designs for how you move through the world. And this garage understands that completely. Step inside, and the restraint continues. But now it has company. The living space is generous and open. Linen sofas, raw wood tables, micro cement floors that catch the afternoon light. The palette is sand and cream and warm oak, with the green of the garden pressing in through every wall of glass. And then the objects. African carved masks mounted at eye level, hand-thrown clay vessels, woven baskets beside a concrete kitchen island. These aren't decorations bought to fill a wall. They're evidence of a life lived with curiosity. This is what happens when a minimalist is also an explorer. Every surface is edited, and every object earns its place.
The kitchen continues that discipline. Concrete countertops, flush wood cabinetry, no hardware, no clutter. Just function, made beautiful through material and proportion.
The master bedroom is where the pace finally slows. A concrete headboard, solid, architectural, anchors a bed dressed in pure linen. Behind it, floor-to-ceiling walnut shelving holds books, clay vessels, small sculptures. The kind of shelf that takes years to build, one journey at a time. The room is calm but not empty, still but not cold. That balance is harder to design than it looks. The master bathroom extends that calm into something almost elemental. Travertine countertops, vessel sinks, warm-toned wood cabinetry with no visible handles. Every surface chosen for how it will age, not just how it looks on day one. Outside, through a pivot door, the outdoor shower stands alone in a stone-walled garden. Palm fronds at eye level, ferns at your feet, open sky above. A single concrete panel, a rain head, and nothing else. Some of the best design decisions in architecture are about what you leave out. The guest bedroom carries the same language, just quieter. Twin platform beds in warm walnut, botanical prints on the wall, concrete panels beside linen curtains. A space that feels considered without being fussy, welcoming without trying too hard.
This is a detail worth noticing. The guest spaces here are not afterthoughts. They receive the same attention as the master. That says something about how this home was designed, with generosity, not just aesthetics.
And the guest bathroom has its own outdoor shower garden, enclosed by bamboo screens and stone walls, thick with monstera and bird of paradise.
When every room in a house has been designed with this level of care, including the spaces meant for guests, that's when you know you're looking at architecture, not just construction.
This house doesn't ask you to admire it. It asks you to live in it.
It's a home built by someone who has already seen enough of the world to know what actually matters inside one.
And that is what great design feels like.